Moving can be stressful, but having the right equipment can make a huge difference. Instead of buying expensive tools you'll only use once, you can rent moving blankets, dollies, and other equipment for a fraction of the cost. Moving blankets, also called furniture pads, help protect your furniture from scratches, dents, and damage while it's being loaded, transported, and unloaded. They're especially useful for wooden furniture, glass tables, appliances, TVs, and other valuable items. If there's any chance of rain, wrap your furniture in plastic stretch wrap first, then cover it with a moving blanket for added protection. You'll also want to choose the right dolly for the job. A hand truck is perfect for stacked boxes and appliances, while a furniture dolly makes it much easier to move heavy couches, dressers, and other large items. The good news is that you don't have to buy this equipment. Companies like U-Haul, Penske, Budget, and many Home Depot locations offer rental options. If you're already renting a moving truck, it's often the easiest and most affordable choice to reserve your moving equipment at the same time. Just remember to book early because moving blankets and dollies can sell out during weekends and peak moving season. If you're only moving once, renting is usually the most cost-effective option. But if you move often, own rental properties, or regularly transport furniture, buying your own equipment could save money over time. Before you pick up your rental, inspect everything for damage, make sure you have enough furniture pads for your move, and return the equipment on time to avoid extra charges. With the right moving equipment, you'll protect your belongings, reduce heavy lifting, and make moving day faster, safer, and much less stressful. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom and contact us to plan a smarter, easier, and more affordable move. Like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our moving guides and relocation tips.